Welcome to the Truth Talk, where words aren't just spoken, they're felt, where truth meets transformation, and where every soul that listens finds a spark to rise again. Today I want to talk about something that most people forget in the chaos of life, that deep inside you, there's a power greater than any obstacle, any fear, or any failure you've ever faced. You might have forgotten it, but it never forgot you. There comes a time in every life when everything seems to fall apart. The dreams we had begin to fade. The people we trusted walk away, and the mirror shows a reflection we hardly recognize anymore. But remember this, you are not broken. You are becoming. Every pain you felt, every scar on your heart, every night you cried in silence, it was never punishment. It was preparation. Life doesn't test the weak, it shapes the strong. It doesn't give you comfort. It gives you challenges so you can find out who you really are. When you hit the bottom, you finally realize there's only one direction left, up. Think about it. Every successful person, every great story you've ever heard, it began with failure, loss, and fear. The difference between them and everyone else, they didn't stop there. They didn't quit when life got hard. They kept going when there was no reason to believe. Christian Bischoff once said, "You don't grow when life is easy. You grow when life challenges you to rise." And he's right. You see, the world won't hand you success. No one is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your family, not the world. It's you versus you. The voice inside that says, "I can't," and the one that whispers, "Try again." The truth is, motivation isn't magic. It's not a YouTube video. It's not a quote on Instagram. It's a decision. It's that silent, stubborn commitment you make when you're tired, hurt, and hopeless. Yet you say, "I'm not done yet." That's real motivation, because success doesn't start with applause. It starts in silence. In those lonely mornings when no one's watching. When you're grinding, learning, failing, and trying again while the world sleeps. That's when greatness is built. In private, not on stage. Every time you doubt yourself, I want you to remember this truth. You have survived 100% of your worst days. You're still here, still breathing, still standing. That means you are stronger than every pain that tried to destroy you. You see, the mind is powerful. It can create heaven or hell, right inside you. If you feed it with fear, it will limit you. If you feed it with faith, it will lift you. So choose your thoughts wisely. Because your life always follows your thinking. There will always be people who doubt you, laugh at you, ignore you, but they don't define you. Their rejection doesn't reduce your value. Remember, diamonds don't lose value because people don't understand their worth. Your journey is not meant for everyone to see. Some people are only meant to witness your glow once you've already risen. So stop waiting for validation. Stop apologizing for wanting more. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your time is coming. Your story is still unfolding. Every failure you've had, it's not a wall, it's a door. A door that leads to wisdom, patience, and strength. The most beautiful souls aren't the ones who've never fallen. They're the ones who fell, broke, healed, and rose again with a fire in their eyes. Because pain, when faced with courage, becomes purpose. And purpose, when fueled by passion, becomes power. You want to change your life? Then stop waiting for perfect timing. Stop waiting to feel ready. You'll never feel ready. Start now. With what you have, where you are. Discipline will do what motivation can't. You won't always feel inspired, but you can always show up. And every day you show up, you win a small battle against your old self. That's how transformation happens. Not in a single moment, but in small, consistent acts of courage. When you wake up tomorrow, I want you to look in the mirror and say, "I am not who I was yesterday. I am stronger, wiser, and more capable." Because every sunrise is proof that life is giving you another chance to fight, to grow, to live differently. The truth is, life is not about being perfect. It's about being real, being honest with yourself, admitting your fears, but not letting them control you. Think about the power inside you. You can rebuild everything. You can rewire your mind, reshape your body, rebuild your dreams. But it all starts with one choice: to believe again. When you believe, you attract possibilities. When you act, you create results. When you persist, you become unstoppable. The next time life knocks you down, don't just get up. Rise stronger, learn the lesson, thank the pain, and then keep walking forward with fire in your soul. Because one day, everything that hurts right now will make sense. You'll look back